Okay, let's first start out with the background here. You've got this blue sky right here, and let me go ahead and go to Format, Shape, Fill, and you can see that it's a gradient, just two markers. Top one's blue, bottom one's sort of a light blue to get that look like that. And the lawn area is just regular rectangular area here. But what I want to really focus on is this shape right here. And that is started with just a regular rectangular box. Use this marker here as a guideline. Now you right click on this, go to Edit Points, click on the bottom left black button. The white handle opens up, and just pull that out. Let me try it again here. Right click, Edit Points, click here, grab the white one, pull it out like this. And you can see that dotted line forming, and that's going to be your that part. Now this one here, you click it, and this one actually gets pushed in like this, and that's how you get that look. And then it's as far as the color goes, just go like that, get rid of the outline, and there you have it. Okay. What else? This building right here, and this building right here is, you can see this one has a shadow on it, but anyways, it's done the same way. This one here is starts out as this one right here, and you build a shape, turn it upside down right here, and then you want to right click on it, go to Format Shape, and you click on the Effects button right here, click on the 3D format, and let me see what I did here. So I go like that. You can see that the depth is this color right here, and it's at 50. So I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to go, depth will be this color right here, and I'm going to change this to 50. Just highlight and just type in 50. Okay. And then what else did I do? I went to 3D rotation, and I went to presets, and I went here, and it's the perspectives, the third row down, the first one third row down. So I'm going to do the same with this. I'm going to click on this, go here, perspective, third row down like that, and you get that. Now the face of it is just simply this. Just go ahead and get that color right here, and there you have it, and just kind of tip it a little bit like this, make it skinnier, and so on. The other one's done the exact same way, only it's just a rectangular box. So let me go ahead and move these out of the way. That one is just simply the rectangular box like this. Same thing. You go here to here. Now let's take a look and see what I did here. You can see it is this color. Sort of, I customize the color, so you can find that color. Well, you could just copy that color. That's fine. Anyways, you go like that. Get the same color here, and that's 50 as well. Again, let me do this one here. This color right here, and then this is 50 again. And you go down here to perspectives, the same one right here, this one here. You see that? Now the difference is this one has a different kind of look, and that is in lighting. Lighting is cool right here. So this one here, we're going to go here, go to lighting, and make it cool right here. So you get that same look. And then as far as the front part goes, it's just simply getting this front piece. So you see the front and the back have just a slightly different tone to it. Also, this one has a little bit of a shadow. So let's take a look at our shadow here and see what we're looking at. Got the color here, which is just thinking one of the grays here, and I just basically change this around here. Angle is 135, blur is at 6. Let's try this. So angle here is 135, and blur was at 6. And I think I had the distance in there too. It's just not the right one, is it? Let's take a look at this again. Maybe it's a perspective. Oh, there it is. Perspective. That's what it is down here. So let's take a look at that again. So you go here, perspective. That's how you get that. Okay, and there you have it. Let's also take a look at this sign right here. Uh, Not that, but this sign right here. Okay, I'm going to move it out here so we get something to work with here. So I started out with a rectangular box on that. Okay, and I did the same thing here. Let's take a look at this here and take a look at it. We have nothing here. Okay, it's right here. I went to this one here, perspective, the second row, last one. So let's do this one here too. Go to perspective here, second row, last one. You get that look like that. And from there, it's just getting a line in there. So you go here, line, made this brown, and made it thicker. Maybe I think it was about 9 here. Yeah, 9's good. And then the face of it is just white like that. And just put in word art right in there, and you're good. And put in legs in there using the same rectangular box. You put in little tiny legs. That one here, and the other one's a little bit longer. So I'm going to go ahead and hold on the control key to put it here. Stretch that one out just a little bit and make them both the same color. Now you can hold on to the shift key and select both of them, and it goes quicker that way, and then just make them both the same color and no outline. Alright. There we have it. Now this one else also has a shadow. Let's take a look at the shadow part of that. I think I did a perspective as well on that. I believe it's this one right here, or this one. Okay, let's try that here. So you go here, shadow, perspective. I think it was this one here. Yeah, that one there. Or was it? Let's try this one. That's the one. Okay, so it's this one right here. Same kind of thing with this, only that shape right there I used, it's in arrows here, this one right here. And you just flip it around, move it around like that.